That's my custom cruisers. Okay, we've got a beautiful kit here. This is the original ECM. I've just fit the Screaming Eagle one on mine. Just prove my bike works perfectly if you buy this ECM or ECU ignition unit, whatever you want to call it. Okay, we're going to crack the throttle a bit. As you can see, works perfectly. On the lake one, the 30591. Some of the other ones, like this, that's a Screaming Eagle. In fact, that's a 95 as well. Okay, but if you're interested in any bits for your Harleys, check out our website. You know, our eBay shop, that is. You know, we do loads of bits. Got S&S motors, got absolutely everything. Clamshells, FXR parts.